Hi guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to learn how you can install Node.js and get started with Node.js. So firstly, some introduction about Node.js, what Node.js is. Node.js is actually a runtime environment which includes everything you need to execute any JavaScript program. Basically, JavaScript can run on your browser. Any browser that you have has a JavaScript engine. So what Node developers actually did is that they took the V8 engine of the Chrome and they made a backend software kind of framework called as Node.js, which can help you to run JavaScript code. So I am installing Node.js to make some applications on TensorFlow.js in my upcoming videos. So I decided to make a video to show you guys how you can install Node.js on your Windows PC. So let's get started. You need to go on this Node.js downloads, which is the website of Node.js where you will find the application. Through your browser, just open this website, and once you have opened this website, it will show you multiple installer options for Windows, Mac OS or other source. So I have a Windows PC, so I will go for Windows option. So one MSI will be downloading, so let's wait till the MSI downloads. So the MSI has downloaded, so let's double click on it. Let's click on next, then I accept, next, then I will keep the path as default, next. And these are some other custom things that get installed with Node.js setup itself. One is the Node.js, then you have the npm, that is Node Package Manager, which is an awesome tool which you can use to download JavaScript libraries for your applications. And also we want the node on our environment variable path, so the option is already here, add to path, click on next. So on this next screen we are getting a pop-up where it is asking me to install this chocolatey tool, but for time being we'll skip this step. So we'll click on next and we'll click on install. So we will wait up till this setup will install Node.js on our system. So you can see that Node.js setup wizard has been completed and it has been successfully installed. So we'll click on finish. Now we'll check whether Node has been successfully installed or not. So we'll open the command prompt window and we'll just write node and version. So you can see here that we are getting successful output of the latest version that we have just downloaded from its website. So this was the version. And also we'll check for the Node Package Manager version, that is npm version. So npm version. So you can see that we also get 6.14.10 Node Package Manager version installed, and both are already added to the paths. So it's time to write your first Node program. So basically Node is mostly used for server side application. So we'll try to create a small server on our local host with the help of Node.js. So you can choose any text editor of your type. So I have Sublime Text Editor and I have created a main.js called JavaScript file. So this JavaScript file is located on my desktop and I will explain you the code. So since Node is also a JavaScript framework, so it is going to but obvious use JavaScript. So here we have created a variable called as HTTP, which is attached to this library called as require. And here with the help of that object we are creating a server. Inside we have a function with two arguments called as request and response. We are just creating a server with this line hello node.js enthusiast, I am live on the local host, and then using this listen method on 8081 port number we will be hosting our server. And also to see the local host IP address, we have just written a console.log, which is equivalent to print in Python or system.out.println in Java and many other language to just print some output on your console. So let's save this file. Now let's again go to the command prompt. Then we go to the location where my main.js is located at, that is at my desktop. And then we call the node, then we pass the name of the file, that is node.js, then press enter. So you can see that we are getting a successful log at this location. So we copy it, then we open a browser and then we paste it. So you can see that using Node, your server on localhost is up and running. So this was your first Node program. So I hope that the Node installation that I have shown in this video is clear to you, and also how you can start up with Node with your first Node program. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, feel free to write in the comment section below. I'll try to reply to them. Till then, see you next time.